You got the details like a broke one imi here onwe ndị banye na-asụ juga yotago. So first of all, anybody a graduate, all depend the year you finish school. You get one born in transcript go handy, handy like Obron Kobo, EJ school, it's school sent to this social school. No, one like student copy. And with student copy transcript. So that it get handy can apply to so many schools. Some schools will still request for your school to send to them. Like Tel Aviv University, FANMA. I think it's the only university in MA no Boda. So that they will give you their email, the school email. So that your university will send them transcript direct. You will still apply through your own transcript, but they will still request for it. But other universities like Eba, this is a high-fi university now. No, Ibiawa. You will all your original copy of certificates, my degrees, my wayeko, my transcript, Ibiaza, Igoshiha. Around January, February, Igoshiha Yotago. So they will just cite it, make photocopy, very good file, physical file.
Okay.
Invoice record na discuss. So the first thing you get money na actually be Oboda, not even Oboda, any country based on student route. It gives you a transcript or degree. I don't know original degree or result statement.
Okay.
And original degree conferred on you as you are a graduate. It gives you the original degree. The original WAEC. Or borrow nke scratch card na internet. No original WAEC gives original. And that transcript with your international passport, because international passport page and passport number is your identity. From the schools to the embassy. That is what they will use to recognize you as individual. That's passport, international passport number. Another thing had very easy to get now. Passport photo, like your photograph. Because I got money in a thing. You get a functional email. Like I have a case now. Only the case now. This guy email and create a profile. Google admission fee. Oga, access your email now. Let's continue and uploading your information. Or some no Amarozo password email. We have been on this case since last month. Some Amarozo password the email. I say, okay, now asking them email. You just know the anything. Dubai in the like I say, we get by juga. They don't take care of details. Also, give them email and get you work the profile admission portal. In your email, they got the functional. We can't access it.
When you double tap no. Double tap no. I won't pull out of an abwegu. Na abwegu at ne shake ike. When I double tap. Okwibunucha. One neganilu.
So the only remedy now, I have to hide behind the scene. Near some contact na school labor. Because I cannot bring myself out. So I need some contact. Direct like WhatsApp contact, not even email. So he started chatting some of the admission committee. So in fact, the guy I just woke up now. The guy they removed was on my off for Friday. So the guy they removed all the car they have rectified it. So he had the detailed email, functional email. So if you have all these things handy. The first thing I get mail, actual admission. You don't Israel school the same thing, have the same system, the same style. The only different scholarship levels. Only na full scholarship, only na 50% scholarship. Only the full tuition. Like yeah, full like each other got the school. Like if actually you want to go to school. Now most of the school for master's degree program, the tuition fee by $11,000. $11,000.
11,000 ego Obama na-akpụ ya ego Obama.
11,000 ego Obama. But the only thing I may expect is before you go interview na embassy or before school enye gị original offer letter, admission letter to the embassy, to the embassy letter. You can put $1,000 deposit.
Okay.
You can put $1,000 deposit, 1,000 Obama deposit. So it also the got the school of also 10,000. Like if you are to pay full tuition, but equal that and which like only may apply on time around February, March, April or May, or some school na May it until May. But here the Hebrew University Jerusalem by March, na their window for scholarship emechigo. Haifa May ka ọ na-emechi. So money has September intake. So only opening will apply on time. Now equal that 1,000 deposit. You may apply for scholarship. Find criteria or some like some countries at least where we say if you had the poor. Like Nigeria. Nigeria is among the countries. So you just write a story, in with responsibilities back home. Papa, if you have a sponsor, if you are still underage, opening like I will come to that sponsorship again. So opening with sponsor, you have na mpag, onye na-azụ na n'oriri nne, 10 boys or 10 kids. So young one has na ọma akwụkwọ akwụkwọ sinye gị 80% scholarship. They can waive 8,000 Obama. They can waive 7,000 Obama, or 43,000 or 42,000. That is each or got the school. Like if actually each or got the school. But on the can because in my internet I got viral.
Yes.
On the process of this thing, on this life, in I got the school, he go to school. You go. Mass ni na they got Jack also because in Kano Israel. I'm a student. You know.
Yes.
Only more na watch. Only more na watch. You know. So, in a big go school. Go amazi hina bi ime.
Amazi hina bi ime. Thank you.
You know. Amazi hina bi ime. But for me, in a bia, ime master's degree na Israel. Mature of my. It's a only one did just 9 months fast track program. By July now. It's done. Starting from October. It's a fast track. July, August. In fact, this month, next month is done. It's a fast track program. They still have PhD. In fact, their PhD program itself, they'll be paying you.
Okay.
And I cool PhD students 6,000 shekel every month.
Hey.
And I cool have 6,000 shekel PhD student. 6,000 shekel. It's fact, it's a hidden secret. Like, that like okay, I got all my friends on a Hebrew University in Cardinal Rehovot campus. How much PhD? And I couldn't have 6,000 shekels. But nobody worry about it. Free accommodation, free housing, free everything free. And I could have stipends to come and study 4 years, 5 years, free of charge. PhD. Ndị gbara nwere ndị nọchi ebe a bụ ndị like Liberians. I saw Liberians well Liberians n'ebe ahụ Ghana, Rwanda, and all those East African countries. They are my friends. Whatever they have ọrụ, so we got to link together. So fun arụ sometimes like ha enwe holidays or ha enwe weekend like this fun at na beach.
Okay.
Ntago na ọrụ beach. So when we have ọrụ somewhere, so m na ha mata. In fact, I use them to get the whole details about the school itself. and my the campus. They are hostels. Because ha nọ close to my office nọ na next na so nrụcha ọrụ sometimes and my there rahụ there na their hostel so mma onye ha ndo their process so like onye ji masters na be anyị chọkwara ime PhD. I can assure you I will get you a fully funded PhD with monthly stipends.
Okay, my brother, ka anyị gakwa back to ịma na most people elube this level of ịghọta. Most people
another thing again, even my BSc, onye mere apply around January, February, March. BSc kwa ojekwe nke bụ a na-enyekwa stipends. Like that's the same Hebrew investor ahụ na-akwụ 35 shekels
every month.
I'm telling you the honest truth, speech money.
Okay, my brother, nke a bụ onye ga-agụ ya and onye ahụ amagoli ihe ọ chọrọ.
Yes.
My brother, ego one ga-adị na statement of account na be anyị onye na-achọ ebi obodo a.
Okay. Now, like can be from nwere scholarship.
Onye
nwere scholarship. Na-eme expect na yakwụ balance of 10,000 Obama. Equal 1,000 yotago so emega expect na yakwụ 10,000 Obama but na ịbata ebe. Now, fan enwe student dormitory accommodation both for student cheaper rate. Ọdọrọ ka ibu na ụlọ ndị obodo yotago. So Haifa University akwụ m enwere m room na hostel before m pụta choose my own house. So I'm expect na m ga-akwụ I think around in fact total m kwesịrị ikwu for that 9 months 10 months bụ around 6,000 Obama
for the hostel.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm expect m ga-akwụ so I even have to reserve ihe m ji reserve bụ 250 Obama.
Email expect na ike akwụ 6,000 Obama.
Yes, for that 10 months.
Okay, my brother, 6,000 now plus balance 10,000.
16,000. I'm just coming to tell you.
Ego ne mmadụ
account.
Yes.
So now 6,000 plus that 10,000. Ọ bụrụ 16,000 Obama.
Yes.
Now, you get when living expenses. So just give and take. Just each like my own even self scholarship 50%. That means in fact total money which a balance bo around 8,000 Obama. Okay, like guy interview na if like by normal thing if then push balance both my work my accommodation bo around 8,000 Obama. So if you watch I just needed like 12 to 11 million or 13 million in on my account. But the album self-sponsored. AG family. So I'm living all these things. I want to have detailed. You have to be detailed because now you are leaving family behind. Okay. Because now that form, details, we are dependent na Nigeria. Mado ne, younger ones. So up no way end of them if I self like I was a self-sponsored. So now if I might travel lapuha for 10 months, how would they survive? So I have to if I'm back because I have a company, I have a running company in Abuja. So you cannot use me and compare anybody. I'm just coming to like self-sponsored. So everything on my company account. If I even have to hand over the company to my manager, like that one is visa process. So because I got said who are you leaving your business for? Because you can't have interview session is a process. So, but if you tell about around 45 million.
Okay.
Yeah, around. It's not a must. You have the money. You can just call 1 or 2 persons. I click on an account. You put it there. You refund them back.
You refund them back with how many percent?
If you have friends, everybody get free. Everybody get free. If you don't have friends, someone double their business. You know what I go? The,
4%.
the higher the money, the lower the percentage. Like, oh, no, you 15 to 20 million. And go 4%. But oh, no, like, 30, 45 above. When they negotiate, maybe to like 2.5 or 3%.
Okay.
The higher the money, the lower the percentage. Because, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Because the easy. And just being transparent. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So I think he had to help a problem agent gishi wee
Yes.
just to help people chokwala ibe bad the obni kekita school na buying very standard ma nwe ihe na-eme Israel na-enye opportunity for students to people to come and school almost free. Yetago. So I brought agent so just work the process. Only one scholarship, only the single. If you are a single winner, I'm just reading comments on somebody said 45 million. No, only the single. If you don't have anybody buying that depends on you, you will have 50% scholarship. You can even do 15 million. Only my guy there, I tried the guy interview. If you can't have 15 million, but that may even help him run up.
Okay.
He hold an account of 15 million and it's still say true because he's a single guy to around 28 years. Only not depend on you. He's not leaving anybody behind.
Okay. My brother, Adam happy, this guiding, only yours and change again. This our process. I get use me for the buy Gakwa Japan through school, Gakwa Australia through school, Gakwa.
Yes. And it depends on the age. Age factor again matters.
The age I need in a year.
Let me just say like not above for if other countries look at Gabro Oboda what I mean. Country. Like this Ihane this for Suneka Hana or Suna. Only that above 40, you have to state of more like percentage of purpose.
Okay.
You will convince the school and as admission committee if in a row because they the 40 years now, or 45 years. A man is like it's almost over 20 years or 18 years he finishes school. So we have to write state of purpose to explain to admission committee if in a row.
Yes.
For that past 18, 20 years.
Okay.
It was like even when I was coming here, I'm above 40, so I have to write a very strong set of purpose to convince admission committee now. Yes, I have been in this profession. I have been in this profession. I have been doing this thing. I want to get my knowledge.
Okay. My brother. Yes.
So let's just say not above 45 anyway.
Not above. Okay.
That.
So my brother, get post this thing, get post it. So
no problem.
Ndị be anyị chọrọ student visa, people chọrọ Japan, people chọrọ Australia, people chọrọ Canada. So these people enwere hope, get the chances na I got through all these things. Ọbụgodulu ndị enwelo ego enwetekwe data ego nya etu esi emekwu ya na onye ha nwe O level ndị niile nwe O level ke the chances na ha ga-abanwe obodo.
O level once you are O level my age limit for O level at 26 27.
Okay, apart from O level then okay, O level 26 27 age limit.
Yes.
Okay, BSc
45.
45. Okay. So na onye kpọm na bish achọrọ m nje Japan student visa nsịa na inwele nsogbu ọya bịa.
Yes, achọwa admission first.
Okay. Onye
and can m kwuo one more thing.
Yes.
Ịma ọdịrọ ka visitors visa schools na-enwe intake. A na-enwe intake. Yes. A na-enwe intake. A na-enwe fall, spring and summer, so a na-enwe intake.
Okay.
So go dekwa today also na chọrọ ime travel next month. So it should be the window when there is intake. Like September, some schools now, some countries now, September intake is almost ending because this is July. We have 2 months. So because it's a process before you make admission review, I get a review. After reviewing the admission process, they will now send you offer letter. Some of us in North Nigeria, I am around. Some of us just finish school and don't pass our certificate. And they may authenticate certificate na foreign affairs. And they mean foreign affairs, and they mean Ministry of Education. In fact, some countries even requires West, what I call West evaluation. My wife just did it now. Like it's only got Canada, even US. They do West evaluation. That one takes time, like 2-3 weeks,
Okay.
twice a month. So, Iman may big this thing. Some like Iman, if you know you have not done, if a graduate, maybe your certificate authenticate. That one is because fake is too much now buying. Fake is too much. Since this Cotonou Wahala, a young one investigative journalist guy Cotonou, Funa, and the mad Najaba no 4 months, with 4 years degree. So, Nigeria has our Ministry of Education and Foreign Affairs now. So, they now made everything so tight that you pass through rigorous exercise before authenticate. And even almost all the embassies now buy my China, my Russia, my Portugal. You know,
Okay.
find a means authenticate. Like if you don't get your certificate from notification, you can't do anything.
Okay.
So if you know, in fact, that is the first thing to save time. If you don't have access to Abuja, still or beach money.
Yes.
Or beach money, you go. I want to give away bill to Abuja, America, and the anyway process because even that way bill, anyway format, later format in Ganyeg.
Okay.
Your schools, your schools will write letter to the Ministry of Education. I'll give you the email
Okay.
to confirm that yes, they are graduates. Once the ministry receive the letter, they will just put stamp. Like my here now, if there's something I can post here, I will show you sticker visa, sticker. Oh, sticker for Ministry of Education.
Okay. Mana nke ị na-ekwu na under the authentication ọkwa ya?
Yes, oh yeah.
Okay. My brother, ekene gị well because ị such a busy person. Watago, anọ m obodo a with you. Ọ dịla izi na-alụ ọrụ na-agụ akwụkwọ. Watago. So I'm making gị well. Enwe the last one in ma ajụ gị bụ ụmụ nwanne anyị ndị enwelo ihe na ịghọtago enwele in fact mala ekwu nke ahụ ebe mana ịmagolo ebe m na-eje
I'm na-ekwu all the possible 100% with I am akwu ebe a onye chọọ dị ha ọbịa behind the scene
onye chọọ
ọ bụ na nwere ịghọtago ọ bụ na maybe by paraventure
ekwune
okay so but you gotta be behind the scene.
Hey, Bolibel, thank you so much. Okay, my brother, biko mee disclaimer na in fact emebugo m disclaimer kwa ịghọta na ebulo
abụrụ m agent so achọrọ ime gị jakpaturu student route ị ga-afụ the whole process one by one.
Yes.
Ọbụla nalụghị ego ma nalụghị certificate enwedị m chance so I will put you through the whole process one by one.
Onye ahụ bịa
eme nke efu step by step.
My brother, ọkụ na-ege ntị ihe na-ekwu onye ahụ bịa through me because ihe nji ekwu ihe onye abịara through me nye jekwenekwu afa m anywhere.
I didn't reply inbox. I didn't reply box. Because I didn't reply.
Onye abịala through me. Ọ na-ege ntị. my brother, actually na-egekwe ntị. Ọ na-ege ntị. Onye abịala through me. Enwekwe m anything ọbụla ọkwa defamation. Mmesu ukwe for defamation of character. Ihe njichikwa gị bịa through me so that onwe ihe na-eme with you and this our brother ọ bụrụ a third party thing. Ọ bụrụ something ị ga na-afụ ị na-aga direct. Ị na-afịa ọ na-eteki gị process ọ n'obodo a anọ m obodo a everything a na-aga aga n'anya gị oge zuo asị gị bido ime video mme post na ọ bụ na ivele anala eme gị and na ị nala agbalị ndị village people ọsọ mme post video gị tii na my status mme post video gị tii na my page kwuo yes na onye a and my brother aka na one ka a ya achị nwuwe n'ọnụ at once.
Isu.
Aka na one ka a ya achị nwuwe n'ọnụ at once. A ya achị nwu mmadụ 4 or 5 bido ka ọ ka ebido with ebuo.
Ebuo Adam which money Ima Adam very busy.
Okay.
And Ima I think the intake here, some schools got on until August. So, only me admission na Israel. Kita, and the boy Adam very busy. You know, Oblebido from January. Like let's hope next intake. Oblebido from January. I must accept as many as we can.
Okay.
But for now, at least that's not to test run. Calf good, bro. It's not about money.
Yes.
Half go do first, half go do results. Okay. And although during interview, I judge a person that was very sound, but I will put them through.
Okay.
I'll put them through. He had a embassy. Yes. And I can come sponsorship because I want very important. Only the above 30 are there with sponsorship.
Are there with sponsorship?
Yes, you must be self-sponsored.
Okay.
So, up no only final na buying, chokwa company I feel na back in alo. You CSC. Or English CS ni be businessman. Or each one company ni aruba they be paying you like you for on your own you can be giving them like money every month they give you like 50k 100k salary. You So only above 30, I then quit sponsorship. Only the abroad, get at school at 22, 80 years. You more than 1 naira na account. Na sponsor.
Only above 30, I get memuzi, I got muzi ego.
Yes, only above 30, self-sponsored. Self-sponsored. If you are above 30, self-sponsored. If you are below 30, you can have a sponsor. So.
Okay, my brother, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, Bright, because I can't know nwa mute give me make your mute because have audio app. Because I think now everybody anugo yoku. Everybody anugo yoku. My brother, kedim boss mo na gigafu.
And my off Friday, but my off Saturday itself before 3:30 you can see. So anytime. Ebim Tel Aviv now. Ebim Mativa. So all the Kevis.
I know Ramadan, man. I know after Ativa. You have to go with Ramadan. So tomorrow, morning, I'm at TJ with my friend in TJ for Nigeria. Nchije fia obule ebe 12 or 11.
Yeah, I'm available that time. My driver comes by 3:30. Even they pick me up.
Yeah,
so my driver come by 3:30. So whatever you are doing, come for 3:30.
Okay. Me video can post so yes, no come na ino.
Yeah, all the sharp.
Egwu anala atụ awo bulu ụzọ odogwu ka